Hello, welcome to the second campaign that I'll be doing in Rain World. By the way, this base Rain World only has 3 campaigns, but this is the DLC. So if you like the other campaigns, you will have to get the DLC. But it depends if you actually have the base game, of course. So the this one will start now. But as you can see, I've already played this. I've already played this. I've completed all of the campaigns before I started this channel, so all my progress is gonna be gone. Yay! No progress left. Okay, what's this? What's going on? Me? Oh, I'm not controlling him. This ain't me doing this. What's this? I'll pick up to transform rocks or spears into explosives at the cost of food. Huh? Explosives, you say? I can make bombs. You're telling me I can make bombs. I'll be liking that. I get to make explosives. I'm gonna commit several war crimes, I guess. Then drop my bombs. Okay. Oh. Oh. Stop grabbing him. Grab this guy. I'm gonna eat him. Set him. Grab the bomb. Grab an explosive spear. And let's go. I'm ready to commit war crimes. Okay. Everybody likes war crimes, don't they? Yeah. Just says that so casually. Oh. My arch nemesis. Bam! Die. Where did he go? Oh, okay. There's a vulture. I'm gonna turn this into explosive. It's not an explosive. Ow. How dare they? Did not mean to throw that. Give me an explosive. I only need one explosive for now. Okay. Oh, your favorite terrorist is here. Bam! What? Okay. I'm back. Back to do some terrorism. Okay, why are they right here? No, don't you dare. I escaped. I'm alive. It's down here. I need a spot to save. Now. There. just we just do, yeah. What? Guess I'm going down here, I guess. To avoid him. Is that what? So we get. That is what? I don't like to see that. What is it you're doing? Oh. Okay. Why is he there? He shouldn't be there. Who cares? Leave the Cyaniders won't cause me any problems. But that thing will, probably. Oh wait, it can explode. There you go. Nom 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 nom. See if I can get a full. I need another hip up here. Will this do? Is there anything up here? Oh! What's back this way? Well, I have an idea. I have a plan. I have a plan. First, I'll make this into a bomb. Now, oh, these guys. Hello. You don't see me. You better not see me. Oh, that ain't good. Wait. They're coming. Yep. Hey, don't. I can't risk it because they're just there. Trying to. Okay. Nope. Oh, the Velas coming through there. Can I eat you? Nom nom nom. What? Don't worry, eat him. I have to deal with those guys. How am I gonna deal with those? That's the plan. Avoid them. Now they can't get me. Where that green does it come from? Oh, there's a thing. I'm just gonna go this way and see what happens. Spear? Yes, I get to kill this guy. Murder him. Murder. Oh, there's more. Die. Give me a spear. Oh, he's alive. Die. Stay dead. Oh, they're coming. The reinforcements. But I'm surrounded. For what? I am surrounded. Just run. Just run. Run. What am I supposed to do? Damn it. Okay. First off, get bomb. Get you. Now we go go and eat this guy. Now I go commit. Oops. What? That's it. Speed run. If I can get there fast enough, if I can get there faster than they spawn, will I be able to do it? Come on. It's working. The plan is working. It worked. Somehow. Is there a rock that I can turn into a bomb? Yes. You must a bomb. What? There you go. Now I go for here. I want to kill that green for food. He is food to me. Come on. Is he dead? No, he's not dead. Come on, come at me. Come at me. Oh, okay. Can't really do much there. There? Wait, how much? Oh. What am I supposed to do? Is the lizard still there? Yes, he is. Are you? Hold on. I got an idea. Turn this into a bomb. Then, do this. Then, boom. Kabooey stuff. Yo, lizard man. Mark Zuckerberg, come here. What? Come here. Whoa. No. Where did he come from? What? Okay. Just gotta get there faster before they can spawn. Okay, let's go. Is there any rocks here? No. And I can hear them coming. Okay, so there's always a lizard here. If I can kill him, then eat him, I'll be good. Man, how do you get over there? Come on. You took an explosive to the head, okay? Now I just gotta wait for him. No, let go! I demand it! That guy's gonna take my food. Leave me alone. He's gonna take me. Okay. Okay, just leave. Leave. Leave me be. There you go. Make explosive spear. Now to go attack. Attack! Hey, you. Come on. Okay, he's dead, right? Nope. Yes. There you go. Now I can spawn. Save. What? No. Jesus Christ. This explosive jump thing is annoying. Okay, Cyan, what do you want? Okay. Surprisingly still alive. Also, why do I have no karma? Well, if I want to get through a karma gate, that's gonna be kind of a challenge. Kind of have to figure out how to do that though. Okay. And now I can just do this and there. And funsies, let's go to the right area. So over here. Where the rot is. Okay. If I see his blue tentacle come up, do I hear him? If I hear like squidgy sounds, that's probably him. Okay. Come on. Where is he? What is happening over there? What is going on? Up. What's this way? More. More. The what? Why is there fat music? That's why. That's why there's fat music. Okay. There's two of them! Why is there two of them? Yo, come here. I'm gonna make you explode. Bam! I did nothing. Oh, okay. Retreat. Don't want to deal with that, so retreat. Can I kill one? You know what? Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Not on the way. Come on, make spit. Make explosive quickly. Come on, mate. I missed. I completely missed. Oh no, 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 no. Make you into an explosive. Damn it. Okay, retreat. Retreat. Oh, where did this guy come from? He wasn't there before. How did you? Where did you come from? Better not touch. Ah. Okay. What am I supposed to do? There's a guy there and there's a guy there. What am I what's the plan? Does he see me? I think. No, he's just going into the water. Because he wants a bath. Okay, that guy's going away. This guy, don't really know. If I can... No. Okay. Okay. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Nope. Get away from me. Get away from me. No, he's got me. No. There's two of them. Why is there two of them? Ah. Why? Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. And damn it. More damn it. Yeah, let's go back. Is he there? First go and investigate. I nearly touched the wall over there. That was bad. Very bad. You guys there? Yep. What I mean. Oh, are they there? I just know that they're there. Don't want to touch that. No. Why is there music? This guy coming out from the depths with water? Is he even in the water? Oh no, that's why. Where did that guy come from? Oh. Yeah. They're chasing me. Why? I don't know. They just leave us off. No answer there. Mine. Ow! Let me eat you. Ow! No. That did nothing. Hello. I'm gonna eat you. Yes, I can. How about you? Never mind, I can't eat you. What the? That set is gonna get in the way. That didn't kill it fully. Is it dead? Please be dead. I beg you, please. Come on. Yes. I'm happy. And there's a safe spot right there. Let's go. Never go. Just gotta remember. Don't go to that rot area with the blue. Just if I see blue in any of the rooms, don't continue. Okay. Now I just go up and investigate what's this way. Oh no, water. I'm not going there. Water is my arch enemy. Gonna explode. Get off me. Oh yeah, this room. Is the guy here? No. Goods. Oh. There he is. He's coming. Okay. I'm in this area. So there is 2 of those things. Huh. You don't know where I am. You don't know. He knows. He knows. He knows. All these stupid leashes, man. All of a sudden. What are you doing over there? Oh, he's moving. He's moving. Can I outmaneuver him? Probably not. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. What am I supposed to do here? What am I gonna do in this situation? What can I do here? If I lead him all to one spot. Yeah, just gotta make noise. Are they coming? No. Wait, I hear them. And I see them. They're coming. Both of them. 2. Come on. Now why is this? Go above. Go above me. Go. 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 As fast as possible. There you go. How did I manage that? Oh, there's more. Oh god. I don't see a blue. I don't see one of them yet. He was yet. Oh, never mind. There was none. Oh, you've gotta be serious. Where am I? I'm so lost right now. There's a red spider. Not my favorite. Anyway. If he comes back, I'm screwed. Why? Oh, wait, I forgot something. Can I? No. 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 Wait. Go. Yes. No. Why does it spider? Okay. Go up there. Hope to God that spider. Get off me! No. Get down. Get down. I'm not safe. No way, it's safe. What am I supposed to do? Where even am I? What is you? What is going on up there? Hey, don't you dare even think. No. Low. He's gonna probably try and assassinate me. That guy right there. I can tell he is. Before I assassinate him first. Assassinate! Hey, I saw you move. No. There's another one! Just go, just keep going. Oh, there's two multicolored lizards. Two of them. Bro, why is it so difficult to traverse this area? Hey, you better not. Good. Hey! Why? Better not. Hey! What the? Is this some acid trip? Bro, where am I? Ow! Whoa! I know exactly where I am. No. If I can get to a save point, I can end this. Let's go. Oh, cool. Okay. Are you serious? I can't save. I need something to eat. No, I'm not going for that. I have a solution. This is the solution. Yes. Alt. Boom. He's mine now. No. Okay. It's the end of the video. Bye bye.